I recently had the pleasure of serving as the official cook on a couple stops of the Griddle More Tour in Albuquerque, New Mexico. This is kind of the setup that we had there as we were getting things put together. As you can see, it's about a 4-hour event, and look, learn from the best. That's going to be me. So we had a few different griddles on hand, and we started with making some breakfast quesadillas. And we start making these with some cut up bacon. We just cut these up, a whole pack of bacon up into small pieces, and we're gonna saute that up on a hot griddle. We get it most of the way done, but not completely crispy yet, and then we push it to the side, kind of get off some of that grease, but not all of it, because we're going to use some of that bacon grease to actually cook our potatoes. And that bacon will continue to crisp up while it sits on the side with those potatoes. Once the potatoes are got a nice brown color to them, we're going to mix that up with the bacon. Then we're going to put in our eggs. You can use regular eggs here that are scrambled up. For the sake of the Griddle More Tour, we just use this carton of eggs. Get those eggs cooking, and again, get them most of the way done, but not completely. And then we're going to dump in a whole jar of hatch green chilies. We're going to mix that up real good, make sure all the eggs are cooked all the way through. And then we're going to set this off to the side and actually use what's left of the bacon grease that's on this griddle and go ahead and start heating up our tortillas. We're going to spread a light layer of some Mexican blend cheese on these tortillas. Let that start to melt. And then I'm going to throw on a nice good amount of this breakfast mixture here. Kind of spread that all around. Make sure there's some in every bite of that quesadilla. Throw on a little more cheese and an extra tortilla. I like to squirt a little oil on the griddle when making quesadillas because it adds a little bit of crispiness to the tortilla. Let that cook till it's lightly golden brown on each side but not burned. And then we're going to pull that off and cut it up and serve. I had a great time on the Griddle More Tour making these quesadillas for everybody. Got to interact with a lot of people. People got to try some of my food. Had just a really good time cooking for Blackstone. If you can make any stops on the Griddle More Tour, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.